Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install JupyterLab on Windows using Miniconda. To install JupyterLab using Miniconda, we first need to download Miniconda. To do this, go to a browser and type Miniconda download and press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Scroll down. Here, click on the link anaconda.com/download. On this page, click on skip registration. So in this page, make sure Windows is selected. And here you will see Anaconda distribution and Miniconda distribution. So here under Miniconda, we need to click on the link Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Click on save. So now the download has started. The exe is getting downloaded. It is around 94 MB. Wait for the download to get completed. So the download is complete now. Once the exe is downloaded, we need to install it. So click on the folders icon. This opens the Miniconda exe in File Explorer. So to install it, double click on the exe. On the setup wizard, click on next. For the license agreement, click I agree. Keep the installation type as just me, recommended. So this will install Miniconda only for the current user account and click on next. Keep the default installation location and click on next. Do not check the box add installation to my path as we won't be using the command prompt. We would be using the Anaconda prompt. So do not check this. Check the box register Miniconda as my default Python. Check the box clear package cache upon completion. So this will clear the package cache once the installation is complete. So now click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Click on next. Uncheck both the checkboxes and click on finish. So now we have successfully installed Miniconda. Once we have installed Miniconda, we need to launch it. So to launch it, go to the Start menu, press Windows key. Here you can see recently added Anaconda PowerShell prompt and Anaconda prompt. So click on Anaconda prompt. So now Miniconda, which is the Anaconda prompt, is launched. So now we can also verify if the installation of Miniconda was successful. To do this, type the command Conda space -- version and press enter. So this displays Conda along with the version. So this confirms that Miniconda is installed successfully. Next, we need to update Conda. To update Conda, type the command Conda space update space -n space base space -c space defaults space Conda. So this is the command to update Conda in the base environment. So -n base is for the base environment. -c is for the channels. So -c defaults means default channel. So we are updating Conda in the base environment via the default channel. So type this command and press enter. So this is asking to accept the terms of service. So we need to accept it. So press A and press enter. Again press A and press enter. So again press A and enter. So each time it asks to accept the terms of service. So press A and press enter. So now the command is running. Wait for it to complete. It is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. So the command is running again. So wait for it to complete. So Conda is updated now. Next, we need to create an environment. So before creating an environment, let's check the version of Python that is installed in the base environment. So to do this, type the command python space -- version and press enter. So we can see Python 3.13.12 is the version that is installed in the base environment. Okay, so now let's create an environment, myenv, and install Python in it with the version 3.11. So to do this, type the command conda space create space -n space myenv, which is the name of the environment we are creating, space Python equal to 3.11. So here we are specifying to install Python with the version 3.11. Okay, so this is the command to create an environment and install Python in it. So type this command and press enter. So the command is running. It is asking to proceed. Press Y and press enter. So the command is running now. Wait for it to complete. So the environment is created. Next, we need to activate the environment. To do this, type the command conda space activate space name of the environment. So myenv in this case. So type this command and press enter to activate it. So the myenv environment is active now. We can see that it is being switched from the base environment to myenv. So here again, let us check what is the version of Python which is installed. So type the command python space -- version and press enter. So here you can see the version of Python 3.11.15. So this is the version of Python which we specified while creating the environment. So the version of Python in the base environment is 3.13 and the version of Python in the myenv environment which we have created is 3.11. So we have created an environment myenv and have installed Python with a specific version 3.11. Next, we need to install JupyterLab. To install JupyterLab, type the command conda space install space -c space conda -forge space JupyterLab. Okay, so this is the command to install JupyterLab from the channel Conda Forge. So Conda Forge is a community channel which will have the latest version of JupyterLab. So type this command and press enter. So now the command is running. Wait for it to complete. It is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. So the command is running again. Wait for it to complete. So the command run is complete now and JupyterLab is installed. Now we need to launch it. So to launch JupyterLab, type the command Jupyter space lab and press enter. So this will launch JupyterLab in the default browser. So now JupyterLab is launched successfully in the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install JupyterLab on Windows using Miniconda. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.